Good morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. This is just a quickie video. I wanted to be able to hang my flags on the 4th of July in this horizontal orientation. And when I bought them, they had two grommets, so you could only hang it vertically. You know what I mean? So I had to add a grommet here. And that is the one that I added. And I'm going to show you how I did that. I'm going to go back to the workbench because I have another flag there that I'm working on. Okay? So this is a grommet kit. Yeah, I'll put a link in the comments so that you can find one and buy one. They come in different sizes. Each one has, two pieces to it. You press them together. You need to have this, an anvil, and a punch, and there's one more piece. Where is it? This is to cut a hole in the material. All right, so you need those three plus all your pieces for your grommet. Now, what I would suggest is you put some backing material where you're going to do the grommet. See, this original manufacturing has backing material. You can't just put it in the thinner material of the flag because I think it would tear out. So what I did was I cut a couple of pieces off of a strap. This is just a long strapping material. You can use any kind of canvas. You could use some heavy old pants or something like that. Anything that's like thicker material, maybe fold it over or something so that you've got some material, some strength to it. First, I tried to glue that fabric to the flag with this. Didn't work at all, didn't even harden. Forget about it. This is what worked, shoe glue. I'll put a link for that also. So I put shoe glue on both of these, and then I pressed it in between two blocks of wood and my vise over here. Just pressed it overnight. So now that is very solid. It is actually more solid than this here. So imagine you've got this square without the hole in it. The next thing you do, and I did have to sharpen this on my grinding wheel. As it comes original, it's not very sharp. It would go through thinner material, but it wouldn't go through this very well. So I took it and I sharpened it on my grinding wheel. And then you pound on this. And what I found worked the best way, they tell you to just pound like that. But what I did was I put this piece on there and I pounded with both of those pieces. And that cut through nicely, mostly because I sharpened it. Once you've got the hole cut, you put this on the bottom, that piece next, the fabric, where are they? Okay, this piece goes on the top with the curvy side up like that. They have directions for this, and then you just pound with that, and it'll peen it over like that, and that will last longer than the whole rest of the flag. So I just wanted to show you how I did that. Happy 4th of July. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notification. Be safe. Have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.